Before you start, please click on to the Bluetooth icon to search for other devices. This is important for when using Bluetooth, because if other devices are available or switched on, this can corrupt the software of the laptop. So as a general rule, you must always search for other devices, and if they are or do appear, then these devices must be switched off, or we recommend you to hardwire the interface head. Therefore you should have no problems then. As you can see, there is nothing coming up, so we will go Bluetooth. We'll close that. We're now going to go on to ODIS. This is to diagnose problems for your VAG cars. Cancel this. This may take a while, could take 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. Still have to wait. Come up, scroll down to the bottom, press OK. You have to wait for these question marks to disappear. Cancel this. This is for online use only. We're going to start diagnosis. Again, wait for the question mark to disappear and press repeat. There we go. Now that the icons, you can see all the question marks have gone, that means it is communicating with the car. And here we go. As you can see, it's took the chassis number of the vehicle. Now you'll have to get your data sticker out the vehicle. This will either be in your service book or stuck on the boot well. So this Passat is a 35, so we click on that. Model year's gone in, it's a coupe. Now you must put in the engine code. This is all important. If you do not put the right information in, this could affect the diagnostic outcome. Then press adopt, cancel that. You must click on without job. This is now going through all the fault memories or all the control units of the vehicle, and it will tell you if there are any faults with the vehicle. As you can see at the moment, there is no faults present on this car, apart from here, the one in red, headlight range regulation. What ODIS is going to do for you then is going to work out a test plan for you to diagnose the fault correctly. You must follow this step by step. Now, these are all the faults that are listed with this particular vehicle. The customer hasn't complained of any problems with these modules, so what we'll do, we'll just run through one of these just to see how it works briefly. We're going to click on checking CAN bus infotainment. Come down here, perform test. It's asking you to check here. So we say, let's have a look at the ambient conditions, and here they are. Click OK. Right, now this is now part of the test plan that you must follow. Read through it carefully and understand what it is saying. Press done to move forward. Read it again. Please understand the following. No, we don't want to do that. You have a choice of whether you want to look at the CAN network on an oscilloscope or not. We're going to go no. So therefore it's now cancelled the test plan. But if you had an oscilloscope, you would wire this up and then carry on with the test plan. So that was a brief guided fault plan. What you can do with ODIS, you can select your own test. If you click on here, select own test, ignore that. Say if you want to find out something with the engine, go into powertrain, click on here. We want to have a look at the engine. Again, click on here. You have your safe, capable diagnosis system and a whole range of things that you can go into. Glow plug system, exhaust system. So let's try that. Electrical components, and these are all the things that you can put on if you want. Check the potentiometer, and you can attach that to your test plan down here. Click on. You can close this window now, and you will see that if you had a problem with the potentiometer, or you thought there was a problem, then you can click on here and it will run through a test plan of the EGR potentiometer G212. So even if you want to go a slightly different way or do your own way, you can select your own test, but you'll still have to follow the program. So if you now want to check something else, for example, let's check the antenna. Click on that, and then we're going to perform the test. Yes, again, read it, understand it. There's your ambient conditions, okay. And again, specialist tools required. going to continue with the test program. No, the customer hasn't mentioned any complaints. We'll click yes. This laptop is purely for diagnosis. If it does ask you for any online connection, you must cancel because it has not got that availability. That's important to remember. Right, we've tested a few things to see how it works, and now we are going to close it down. To close ODIS down and come out of it, you must follow what it says. Do you really want to exit offboard diagnosis invitation system? Yes, we do. Read and understand again. Would you like to continue with guarded fault finding? No, we don't. If you look here, you can see it's just going through the motions. You must let it do this before you can exit the test plan, or exit ODIS as well. We do not want to create a new test plan because the customer has not complained about any of these other problems. So no. Cancel this. Anything with login, you cancel. No, we don't. Cancel. We don't want to print or save. Now this is shutting ODIS down. And that is now how we run through ODIS.